So we will all suffer in not silence. Okay, so apparently nothing is here. Okay, fantastic. Oh no, what's this? Hacking esports. Oh, you can't even see it. I'm so sorry. Let's move this to here. Please don't tell me it has steganography in it. Please don't tell me it has steg in it. You know what? Let's actually download this stuff. What are we gonna use to download this stuff? Python, bash, I don't know. Actually, you know what? Let's do this like professionals. Look how cool my VS Code is. If I move over here, it gets transparent and we can see the background image. Yeah. Okay, so I'm guessing let's write down first a couple of notes and then we can move this to another workspace so we have more place. So we have the structure. How do I make? Not like this. Oh my, I hate the keyboard layout thing hashtags. I can for some reason not type this thing in here because wait, maybe if I switch my keyboard to Windows mode I can. No, I can't. All right, so I'll have to copy paste. So the structure is as follows. We have 20, 22, and in there I'm just gonna do it with 3 dashes like, or 2. In there we have in 01, which is dash 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 dash. I don't know if this works as I wanted to. Let's do 4 dashes and then we have 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. Inside this we have file pack, I'm gonna call it, and then of course we have dash 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 02 up until what did we have? 12. So I'm guessing it's for every month, but then what happens in 2024 at 40? I'm not sure. I don't even want to know what happens in 2025, to be honest. And let's just copy paste this in here a couple of times. And here we have 1 2 3 4 at 12. Then once we're back out we have 2023. Let's shorten this up, dot followed by 2040. Okay, all right, so this looks to me like we need 2 for loops. Why can't I just zoom in? Control Shift 0. What kind of weird combination is this to zoom in? Control Shift 0. What world are we living in? All right, so this is our structure and we are gonna create a Python script, I guess. What is the shebang for Python? We're already off to a great start. Python shebang. Let's go with this one. Come on. Whoop. And then we do the next thing, which is Python download file from web directory. I mean, we have this one, so let's go with that one. Something like this. Boom. And then we, of course, need to change this. Oh, how do I zoom out now? Or let's do Michael is equals to http //pressed.htb. I mean, I don't even know if we are supposed to do this, if we are gaining something from this, or if we have to just focus on this one and like perform an SQL injection or something like that. But let's do some, how do you say, let's do some Python scripting coding, because why not? I'm pretty sure maybe we have to do something like this over here. So let's just grab this. Let's go over here. And this is our base. All right. And then we have for. Oh no, Python for loop. That's the worst thing to do. Python for loop. Because Python doesn't really have a for loop. It just has for each. Yeah. So if I want to have a for loop, I have to do it like this, right? Something like this. And then we have equal to. And then we do, oh no, I hope 1, 2, and 3. All right, this should work as intended. Maybe with a slash here and then a format. And we have a Y, my dear friend. You get commented out for now. And we just print the rec URL. All right, let's try it. Python and download py. Okay, yeah. Nice. Almost. We have to, how do I tell Python format to start with the leading 0? Python format leading 0. Okay. Something like this. Let's try it out. Now, look at this. Okay, so we've got all the numbers lined up. Now I just need to find out how to enumerate all the files. I didn't think this through, huh? If I do an URL retrieve of this one, or maybe not an URL retrieve. Can I not just do a get request? I just want to try the URL lib request get. I'm just guessing it's called like this and hoping for the best. Has no attribute get. All right, of course it doesn't have. Let's do pipe URL lib and a get request with Python. So let's this URL open. Okay, let's try it with URL open. Haven't I we can get rid of this print, I guess. Aren't I supposed to see what I get from this request, or is that just a pipe dream I'm having? What? With blah 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 as response. Okay, let's try with as response, response, and then let's do a response read, of course. Response read. And now, no, I don't like this at all. Isn't there a library where I can like parse? You know what? We have AI Python. Read all files in file listing web. I don't know if that sentence makes any sense. What is is it directory listening, listing, file listing, directory listing, read file directory listing on web server. All right, so okay, we can try something like this, but make it different. So let's first of all grab this one. And how do I make it smaller? Now it's okay. I think that's a good compromise between it being obnoxious to me and it being readable to you. Now, of course, we will need to use beautiful soup. I don't know if I have to pip install it. Okay. So let's try it first of all like this. I think it's supposed to work with or without it, to be honest. So in here we have the response. Oh, we don't even need to do the response, right? Wait, how does it do the requests? Import requests. You know what? We are gonna do a combination. In here we just pass the HTML. All right, and the page is the HTML, then it should work. And this means in here we pass it the response dot. All right, and now did you mean print? What? Yeah, I did. Oh no, oh no, this is written in Python too. I'm not sure if it's compatible enough. What the hell is that? That's why you copy paste during coding. X is not defined. I mean, why am I doing such stupid errors? Can somebody explain it to me? Okay, I think I don't need this one. Let's look at this. Boom. Okay, so now we got the different file. Why is this back in? Okay, and swint. Can I do contains and then just look for things that possibly contain a dot? It doesn't exist, but ends with exists. What the hell is happening in Python world? Okay, so let's take a look. How could we? I mean, you know what? Let's just download it anyways. Who cares? So the thing is, we are gonna paste in a rec URL, and then for the files, I mean, let's first of all try it if this even works. Let's define another function. Let's call it dev loop all files, just so we can like get this as a function and then not execute it for the time being without having to necessarily, how do you say, shut up, we don't necessarily have to like comment it out. Okay, what? Why is it telling me it's not found?